If I want to make this tree again, I would leave everything and start with this AI tool.
This AI tool is called Meshy 3D.
It's basically converting an image or a text into a 3D mesh. In our example, I'm going to use this tree image to create the mesh and start printing it right away. The first thing we should do is drop the image, and you're given 300 points for free to use this AI. So you can generate the model. In a matter of seconds, you will have your tree or whatever model you want to do.
But I didn't know I was going to face a huge problem with the sculpture base that is only solved by the sponsor of today's video, which is PCBWay.
You probably know PCBWay for high quality circuit boards, but they were waiting for me to ask for something much stronger. To save the build, we're going beyond plastic. They 3D print the entire base with metal aluminium 3D printing, which is ideal for our situation because we need an elegant and a small base to hold the entire sculpture. And the cool thing about PCBWay, it's very simple. You just go to the website with the model that you have, select which service do you want. They have 3D printing, they have CNC, and they have plastic molding. They have different kinds of services. You upload the model, and then they send you an estimate with what you will be paying, and within a couple of days the product is in front of your door.
I never expected it to be like this. Look at the texture, look at the feeling, the weight. This is actually pure elegance.
With that said, level up and upgrade your products, and click on the link in the comment section below or in the description section below to take you to PCB website to try it out. I got the mesh from the AI, and then I used the cut tool in Bamboo Studio to cut the mesh into smaller pieces that can fit in my printer. And with the file prepared, I sent it to print. So after the print is done, now it's time to assemble the tree. I've 3D printed these. We're going to be using them to connect the pieces together. First piece, one, and it connects to this one, somewhere like this. Two, this thing goes in here. Perfect. Now we have the two pieces. I know it's a little wobbly. And then you have 3, 4. The two big pieces goes in. One goes over here, and one goes over here. Perfect. This is how it will be looking, but we have some problems to fix. The first thing that we should do is to glue these together, and after gluing it, we're gonna close or hide these lines. We can do it in two ways, either by plastic ironing and sanding, or we can paint over it if it's perfectly closed and perfectly in place. So I got my glue over here. Get the first piece, add a drop, get the connector, slide it in. Just give it a minute. Go ahead and do some over here. Take out this. This is the second piece. Align it. Fully it aligns and it's perfectly in place. And here we go.
Some of my loyal subscribers told me about this. It's wood filler, and I'm gonna use it to cover the lines that are not too obvious. Like for example, this line over here. Put a little in my hand and fill up the places. And the good thing about this, it's sandable, so the excess I can just sand it with the sanding paper. But for this one that is a little bit big, I'm going to use plastic welding. So for plastic welding, you'll be using a piece of a filament and an old soldering machine or soldering tool that you have. You use the hot tool. Make sure you have a big head on it to cover bigger space, and then you keep it for a while until it melts to the bottom piece below it. And with this done, it's ready for painting. So we moved outside. I'm gonna paint it with this brown color. I have no idea why, but let's see how it looks, and let's go. Someone special wanted to join me while painting. After drying it for several days, this is the result. I hope you can see it through the lens of the camera, but it's looking shiny and clean. Now it's time to add the lights. For the lights, I have this strip which perfectly blends at the back, starting from the bottom all the way to the top. I got these wires with a USB head. After a tiny bit of a fight, this is successful. Now let's get rid of this boring base. And with the base from PCBWay, gonna attach it in its place. Oh, this is perfect.
And enjoy how beautiful this model is looking. This is what I've got for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you learned a lot from it. Make sure you subscribe and see you in the next tutorial.